Welcome to this bright and spacious and unique townhome in the highly sought-after Fairfax Center Parkside community. It offers 3 finished levels, 2 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. Special features include a brick front and an open floor plan with bump outs on all 3 levels. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a stylish backsplash. The spacious primary suite boasts vaulted ceilings, walk-in closets, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom with double vanities, marble countertops, a soaking tub, and a separate shower. The home is ideally located within the highly rated Woodson High School pyramid, near shopping, dining, and major commuter routes. For more information on this home and incentives we offer, go to sandracruzteam.com or give us a call.